Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Febrith, and 2 boxes in 2 weeks. This one is also from the Wizarding Trunk. If it's anything like their most potent potions that we had last week, then I'm thinking it's going to be a good time. So I'll put you into top-down mode, open the box, and we'll see what's in there. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're in the traditional owlery box, and we've got a bit of stuffing on the top, which we can get rid of. And let's have a look, see. Okay, this is exciting. I'll put it to one side and just pull out each item. Okay, first up, we've got this fab little book. It's like the diary, Tom Riddle's diary. Looks like it's got a hole in the front, but it actually doesn't. Well, it does. You can put your finger through it. Look at that, how cool. It is just a notebook for you to make your own notes in. Very nice. It doesn't, I mean, it kind of looks like it's got a leather texture, but it doesn't feel like it has. It's very smooth. Okay. Next, we've got fairy bones. No! As someone who plays as a fae consistently, I'm offended by that. I'm joking. Okay, gorgeous box though, right? How cute is that? So, oh man, that's amazing. Okay. This is what you're looking at. Fairy bones. And inside, oh my word. It's a little fae. It says specimen 11819. And look, even little wings on the back. Oh my god. Oh, my fae does not look anything like this. Can you see the ugly face on that? Could it be any more disturbing? I'm sorry about the lights. Okay, that's cool though, right? With the little wax seal on the top and everything. Nice, I like it. Kind of purple and green. And yeah, beautiful box. All right, next we've got an intriguing brown box, which has nothing on it. Can't imagine what that is. This time they haven't put the cheat sheet right on the top, so I can't even take a sneaky look to see what it might be. The theme of this one. Oh, wow. Okay. I love having bubble wrap to pop. I'm an obsessive bubble wrap popper. Now this, look at that. So it's H. Smith, TMR, Visit 1957. That is super nice. Wow. Oh, I love this. This is going on my shelf. Of all things, fantastic. Amazing that it's reached me here in the UK, all the way from America, in perfect condition. Oh my god, there's so much in this box. Okay, so now we've got another brown box with no clue as to what it might be. Polystyrene once more. Let's see. Okay. Oh my god, what is that hideous thing? Okay, we've got a stack of skulls. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. I've got quite a few sort of dark, arcane bits and pieces around about this room, and this is going to fit right in. Oh, that is so cool. I feel like some kind of Victorian explorer that's brought back shrunken heads. You know what I mean? That is cool, and I really like it. It's actually quite grisly, but fab. All right, next up, little green pouch. Feels like a pen. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's another shop. Okay, these shop pens I'm honestly not that enamored of. I don't know why. I feel like, I don't know. They don't, they're not that great. But this one's particularly fine, actually. This is probably my favorite one. Very nice. Love the colors in it. All right, next looks like we have a t-shirt. So let me get it out of the packaging. Okay, just had to clear everything out of the way because next we have a t-shirt. Look how cool this is. Necromancy, that book. I love the candlestick, the hand, everything that we've got. Oh, this is interesting because there's the little skull thing that we just got. The Darkest Market. Ooh. This is brilliant. Fits right in with my goth aesthetic. Love. Okay, that one is a keeper. I'll be wearing that. Okay, next we have what looks like an intriguing jewellery box. If this was given to me, I'd be like, ooh, what is it? Okay, let's have a look. See if I can get into it. Here we go. I was being such a spaz then. Oh, wow. Oh, I say, look at this. On the black background, it looks fantastic. If I turn it around that way, you can see it a bit better. Isn't that beautiful? Well, this is totally something that I would wear on my silver hand. I have a gold hand and a silver hand, and yeah, you know, like you do. That is beautiful. Really, really nice. Gorgeous little bracelet based on the cursed necklace, I guess. Super. All right, let's put that to one side because amazingly, there's yet more. We have this little pouch. See what we've got going on in here. Oh my God. Now then, this is the kind of pin that I just go a bundle over. It is doors and they open. If I can get them open, hold on. Look at that. We've got an apple and a dove. Oh, that is stunning. I need another board for all my beautiful pins. Honestly, I have so many now that are just, you know, unique and gorgeous. Wow, is it my favorite item? Maybe. I love that. Okay. Okay, look at this. There's a whole bunch of papers left and this box. There's also this tiny little label that says caution, do not tap glass. So I guess we could put that on either the fairy or on here. Cool. Terrific. Okay, so let's have a look. We've got a copy of the Enchanter magazine, The Darkest Market. Tells you all about the different pages, what's in here. This is so nice. Puzzles and word searches and so on, crosswords. Okay, that's very cool and something that I will enjoy reading later. Oh, my horoscope. Right, let's have a look. Scorpio, you're going abroad. I am absolutely not. Perhaps for a vacation or a business trip, you'll find satisfaction in these new developments, all to escape the daily grind. Don't forget the simple things in life. Okay, well, if you have a horoscope, you may be able to read that, I hope. Yours, and let's see if I can get the bottom ones. Here we go. Aquarius, Pisces. Ooh, it's a little bit out of focus. Anyway, there we are. Horoscope and everything. Brilliant. That's so much fun. We've got more art. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful picture that is. Love it. Fairy Bones is a recipe card, potion ingredients to go with our little fairy potion. That can go in the photograph album that they sent in their last box. And then here's the cheat sheet, which we'll get to. And then second to last, protect our future, defend a visiting heritage. And at the bottom it says register today. Stand united against those who threaten the balance of our magical world. Wow, that is cool. It looks proper dystopian, doesn't it? Oh, just brilliant. Fun. Okay, and then let's have a look at this unlocking magic. Oh, wow. Look at that. So this is a dark arts themed box, right? Look at this hand. Oh my goodness. What does that say? And that little thing says Cursed Curiosities on it. Wow. That is so cool. Okay, let me just tell you a bit about it. The t-shirt was designed by Wizardry Workshop. The journal also. Pure Blood Apothecary did the vial here. Gorgeous thing. And the market key was designed by Here Be Monsters. The vintage wardrobe pin. Oh, just wow, I've covered it up. There we go. So wonderful. That wardrobe. I love it. Who did that? JP Misselcrow. Wow, talent. And the Fairy Bones ingredient sheet was by Wizardry Workshop. The tin sign also by Wizardry Workshop. Wow, I told you last video that they were a winning combination, right? And they really are. Oh my goodness, the skulls. Who did the skulls? It doesn't say. But removing the glass is highly discouraged. I should think so. The remains have been known to bite. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, there we go. I love this whole thing. I just do. I think it's a wonderful box. Is it as good as last week's? Absolutely it is. I'm in love with that. And this, and this, and this, and this. And the bracelet. Oh my God. And the t-shirt. All of it, actually. Not a bad thing in it. Wow. This is where it's at, isn't it? Wizarding Trunk. Thank you so much. All right, I'll call that the end of this wee video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.